Hey Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a wireless Bluetooth speaker. And we see for the one that we got right here is from this brand. And then right here in the front, you can see we do have the photo of what the product looks like. So pretty much for the product, it works as a speaker, but also give you guys like an LED light option. And in terms of the light option that's on here, they mentioned how there's 9 different light or 9 different colors. But first, I'm going to open this up to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so we do open up. You can see how it's all well protected. So let's do take it out. First thing, you can see we do have the speaker. And probably in the bottom, we do have an accessory. So let's take everything out first. Alright, so once you guys do take out the speaker, you can see in the bottom, we do have some stuff. So they do provide us the aux cable. They do provide guys the USB to USB-C cable, so you definitely use that to recharge the product. And the last thing inside, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And that is everything that's included in the package. Now let's take out the speaker to show you guys what it actually looks like. So once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the speaker looks like. So this side we do have the speaker. If you can see right here, we do have a plus and minus for you guys to increase or lower the volume. If you guys turn on to the back, here is basically what the back part looks like. So this side is where it's going to light up when you guys do turn it on. If you guys look at the bottom, we do have the brand logo, and basically for this part right here is the base. If you guys look at the top part, they do give you guys a strap option for you guys to strap it somewhere if you guys want to, or you can put it onto your hand like that. And it does have a very stretchy band, if you can see. But right here, you can see we do have a bunch of buttons. So we do have a power button, we do have a light button for you to change the different colors. Here we do have 2 buttons for you to skip the song or go back to the previous song. And right here we do have the tandem button. And top right here we do have the opening for you guys to open it up. So let's do open it. That is basically what the inside looks like. So we do have an aux option, we do have a TF card option, a USB option, and a USB-C option. So really cool how it does give you guys a lot of different options for you guys to connect it and play your music. Whether if you guys want to use the aux cable, if you guys want to use a USB option, TF card, or Bluetooth option, you do have all those options available. And when you guys are not using it or you guys are done using it, you guys can close it back up. So that way none of the water can get in when you guys do use it. So they do mention it is water resistant or waterproof. And in terms of the speaker that's on here, they mention how it does have a double speaker diaphragm. So that can give you guys a really good audio and high quality bass. And you guys will also get that 360 surround sound when you guys do use it, which is pretty cool. And also the material that's on here, they mention how it is dust proof. So if you guys do get dust on here, that won't be an issue as well. And then when you guys do use the product, they mention how you do have the option connected onto 2 speakers if you guys do have the same exact one. So that way you can get even higher quality audio when you guys do use it with 2 of the same speaker, which is pretty cool. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Before you turn it on, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So right here I do have my USB-C cable. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, if you see we do have a red in here light to show you guys that it's charging. So that is basically how you guys charge the product. If you guys try to turn it on while charging, let's see when it actually works. Alright, so it still works even when you guys do have the cable plugged in. If you see for the top part, we do have a blinking light to let you guys know that it's ready to connect it onto Bluetooth. So connect it onto my device first. Alright, so we got connected. If you guys do unplug the cable, it still works. So you do have the option to use the wired or wireless. But if you see for the front part right here, we do have the light that I mentioned. If you see the light is actually very bright when you guys do turn it on. And if you guys want to change the different color of the light, you guys want to press this button. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and back to number 1. So those are the 9 different options available if you guys want to change it based on your own preference. And if you guys press on this button, it basically works as a tandem button for you guys to use for different options. So let's press it 1 time. It basically allows you guys to enter or exit the mode. If you guys long press it, that basically turns on transition mode. If you guys double tap that button, that basically allows you guys to answer or reject a call. And then for all the other buttons, it basically works when you guys do play a song. So let's play a song to show you guys what it sounds like first. So let's increase or lower the volume. If you guys want to pause it, that is basically how you guys use those buttons. If you can hear the audio and the bass that's on here is actually really powerful and it sounds really clear when you guys do use it. But let's try the other button as well. So you see all the buttons on here definitely does work. And it's very easy for you to change the different song, increase and lower the volume, play and pause the song, and etc. And for the light option, I forgot to mention one thing that I just found out about. If you guys want to turn off the light, you basically want to press and hold the light button. And that basically turns off the light. But if you guys press and hold again, it turns it back on. So it's definitely a really cool and awesome speaker. You can see right here, everything about the product actually works pretty well and give you guys the best quality speaker and best feature that's on here as well. And I love how small and compact the product is, so that way you can bring it along with you guys almost anywhere. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality portable speaker that give you guys all the same specs and features on here as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.